Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is our third week of giving. And today we are actually going to give to the Firehouse subs. But why are you giving to a sub place, AP? Well, ladies and gentlemen, what the Firehouse subs is, normally they go ahead and they sell their buckets and they take whatever money they make from selling their used pickle buckets and they donate it to the local first responders of whatever community you live in. So if you have a Firehouse subs near you, go ahead and buy some of those buckets, and whatever revenue they make from those buckets, they give to the first responders. So I called ahead to see if they had any buckets, but they have none. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and order a couple of sandwiches, and then we're going to go ahead and leave them a little bit of extra change so that they can donate to the first responders of Fairbanks. Let's go on in and see what we can get ourselves into. Hi, how you doing? Hello, how are you?
Oh, hello, sir.
Well, you know what? I actually have an order that my wife placed, so I'm going to go ahead and read that off to you because it's quite complex. Yep, everything looks good.
Anything else you need to buy?
That is it. So it's $38.96. So I already talked to your manager about this, and what we're going to do today is I want you to go ahead and add $1,000 to my bill so that we can donate that to the Fairbanks first responders. Now, to be accurate, right, this money goes to the Fairbanks first responders, right? So it all stays local. So go ahead and do that, and I'll see if my credit card doesn't break.
Okay.
Oh, I haven't gotten a notice from my credit card yet.
That's good.
Usually whenever I do transactions like that, they send you a text saying, hey, is this you doing this?
Yeah.
So ladies and gentlemen, my credit card actually got declined in there after the fourth transaction. So usually whenever that happens, like whenever I do a giveaway or something like that, and like 5 or 6 people, I'm ordering some for like 5 or 6 people, usually the credit card company will send you a text and say, hey, is this you? And then I have to reply to that text, 1 for yes or 2 for no. And then if I do 1 for yes, obviously they go ahead and allow my credit card to work right there and then. So I actually had to do that this time, but we ended up doing 5 transactions. The first one for $230 something, I think it was $238 to cover the couple of subs that my wife and my daughter got, and then 4 other ones for $200 a piece. So again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. I hope you're having fun doing this with me. I'm having a blast doing it. There's the Firehouse. I'm having a blast doing it, and I'm not sure if I caught this on camera or not, but I was asking the manager there exactly what do these funds go to, and what it does, it goes to a first responder fund here in Fairbanks, Alaska. And whenever, you know, the police department or the fire department, whenever they need like equipment or funds to do training and stuff like that, it just comes out of that fund. So it's pretty much locally supported. So thank you very much for joining in today. Let's go ahead and keep doing this. I think we have one more to do before we do our December Bash giveaway. All right, so we'll see you then. Remember to be good to each other, ladies and gentlemen. When good people do good things happen. Remember to reach one, teach one, and repeat. If we all did this, the world would be a better place, and you know that it will be a better place. Many blessings to all of you and your families. I'm Alaska Prepper. I'm out. God bless.